Okay, this one will be the maintenance break of Clash. I think I'm going to close at 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. I rebuild my class base and I'm still gonna max out all of my equipments at that is still they're gonna be in Clash of Clans, since I need this. I think I'm going to, okay. Oh. Okay, it's 1 minute. Uy, pre. I'm gonna close it 2 minutes since. Okay, money. Okay, it's 2 minutes now, so bye.